English Grammar Lesson, Pre-Intermediate Level, Conditions, Part 2. Second condition. If you were a chef, what'd you cook? If he were a pilot, he'd fly. If she were a singer, she'd perform. If they were athletes, they'd compete. If I were a teacher, I'd inspire. If weather improved, we'd barbecue. If you were a writer, what'd you write? If he were a firefighter, he'd rescue. If I won the lottery, I would travel the world. If she studied, she could get better grades. If it rained, we would stay indoors. If he had time, he would learn to play guitar. If they saved money, they could buy a new car. If you came earlier, you would catch the bus. If he didn't have allergies, he would have a pet. If you didn't have to work, what would you do? If we lived by the beach, we would go swimming every day.